Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be counting down the top 5 best drones with cameras currently available in 2025. Whether you're a beginner looking for a simple flying experience or a professional seeking advanced features, we've got something for everyone. Don't forget to check out the product links in the description below for the latest prices and more details. Let's dive right in. Coming in at number 5, we have the Adesso Cyberdrone X2. This drone is an ideal choice for beginners thanks to its lightweight design, intuitive controls, and a 1080p HD camera with gimbal stabilization. The gimbal ensures smooth and stable footage, reducing shakiness during flight. Additionally, it offers intelligent flight features like altitude hold, one-key takeoff and landing, and even a 3D flip function for a touch of flair. While the drone is portable and easy to carry, its lightweight build, just 3.04 ounces, might make it susceptible to wind interference. With a flight time of 15 minutes on a single charge and a control range of 80 meters, it's perfect for short, casual flights. However, the relatively short range and limited battery life may be a downside for users who want longer or more adventurous flights. The inclusion of spare blades and prop guards is a thoughtful touch for beginners. Overall, the Cyberdrone X2 is a great entry-level option for kids and adults who are new to drones. While it may not satisfy advanced users, its affordability and ease of use make it a solid choice for capturing simple aerial shots. Pros include its stable gimbal, beginner-friendly features, and portability. Cons are the limited range and flight time. At number 4, we've got the Nehem NH760, a foldable drone that offers a great balance of affordability and functionality. Its 1080p HD camera, paired with a 90 degrees manually adjustable lens, allows you to capture decent quality photos and videos. The ability to control the drone via the included remote or through a smartphone app adds versatility, and features like gesture control, gravity sensor mode, and flight path drawing make flying intuitive and fun. What sets the NH760 apart is its safety features, including full propeller guards that protect both the drone and the user. It's lightweight at just 6.4 ounces and folds into a compact size, making it easy to carry on outdoor adventures. However, with a single battery providing approximately 10 to 12 minutes of flight time, the NH760 might leave you wishing for a longer flying experience. It also lacks advanced stabilization technology, so footage can be shaky in windy conditions. This drone is an excellent choice for kids and beginners, offering an exciting flying experience with fun features like 360-degree flips and multiple speed modes. Pros include its portability, safety features, and user-friendly controls. On the downside, the short battery life and lack of advanced camera stabilization make it less suitable for professional use. Taking the third spot is the Okyuk drone with 1080p HD camera. Designed for users aged 14 and up, this drone offers a solid combination of performance and features. Its standout features include brushless motors for quieter and more powerful flight, as well as a 150-degree adjustable camera with night vision capabilities. The inclusion of 3 rechargeable batteries provides an impressive total flight time of 40 to 45 minutes, which is a significant upgrade compared to its competitors. The Okyuk also includes advanced features like omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, optical flow positioning, and a variety of flight modes. These features make it suitable for both beginners and intermediate users. The drone is slightly heavier than others in its class, which helps with stability but may limit portability. Additionally, while the camera quality is decent, it doesn't match the sharpness and dynamic range of higher-end drones. This drone is ideal for users who want a robust flying experience with plenty of flight time. Pros include its brushless motors, long battery life, and obstacle avoidance. Cons are its heavier build and limited camera resolution. Overall, the Okyuk strikes a good balance between price and performance. Coming in as the runner-up is the Hover Air X1, a self-flying camera drone that redefines portability and ease of use. Weighing just 125 grams, lighter than most smartphones, this drone is incredibly compact and doesn't require FAA registration. The 2.7K HDR video capture and triple stabilization system ensure high-quality footage that's smooth and detailed, even during fast movements. Where the Hover Air truly shines is its intelligent flight modes, including Follow Me, Orbit, and Bird's Eye. With a simple palm takeoff feature and pre-programmed flight paths, it's one of the most user-friendly drones available. However, the 11-minute flight time per battery might feel limiting for some users. Its lightweight design also makes it more susceptible to wind interference. This drone is perfect for content creators, adventurers, and anyone who values portability and hands-free operation. Pros include its lightweight design, intelligent flight modes, and high-quality video capture. Cons are its short flight time and limited wind resistance. The Hover Air X1 is a fantastic choice for capturing dynamic shots on the go. And finally, taking the #1 spot is the Tizzy Toy drone with 4K camera. This drone offers premium features at an incredibly competitive price. Equipped with a 4K adjustable lens and 110 degrees wide-angle view, it delivers stunning image quality that rivals higher-priced models. The brushless motors ensure quiet, powerful, and stable flight, while the altitude hold system and optical flow positioning make it easy to control. What makes the Tizzy Toy stand out is its impressive 40-minute total flight time, thanks to the 2 included batteries. It also comes with extra fan blades, prop guards, and a carrying case, making it a complete package for on-the-go users. Features like gesture control, 360-degree flips, and an electronic fence add to its versatility, making it suitable for both beginners and advanced pilots. The Tizzy Toy is an excellent all-around drone that combines high-quality imaging, robust build quality, and advanced features. Pros include its 4K camera, long battery life, and durable design. The only downside is its slightly heavier build, which might not suit users looking for ultra-light portability. Overall, the Tizzy Toy offers exceptional value and performance, earning its place as our top pick. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this countdown of the top 5 drones with cameras. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews. Let me know in the comments which drone you're most excited about, or if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next one.